Welcome to Cab's Kitchen, where we turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes. Before we delve into the aromatic world of beef curry, this dish is a symphony of flavors, combining tender beef with a rich and spicy. Let's get started. First, we'll need to prepare our ingredients. We have here some mustard oil, cubed potatoes, sliced onions, cumin paste, ginger, garlic, bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, chili powder, and of course, our star ingredient, beef meat. We have 500 grams of succulent beef meat here. It's important to use a cut that's suitable for slow cooking, like stewing beef or chuck roast, as it becomes tender and flavorful when cooked slowly. Let's fire up the stove and heat some mustard oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, we'll gently add our cubed potatoes, frying them until they're golden brown. After that, heat some mustard oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, we'll add our sliced onions and sauté them until they turn golden brown and caramelized, releasing their sweet aroma into the air. While our onions are sizzling away, let's prepare our flavor base. In a mortar and pestle, we'll crush together some ginger and garlic to form a fragrant paste. This will infuse our curry with a delightful warmth and depth of flavor. Once our onions are beautifully caramelized, we'll add our ginger garlic paste to the pot, along with some whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon, and cardamom. These spices will impart a rich and complex aroma to our curry. Now, it's time to add our powdered spices. We'll sprinkle in some turmeric for its vibrant color and earthy undertones, followed by chili powder for a fiery kick. And to enhance the depth of flavor, we'll also add a teaspoon each of cinnamon paste and cardamom paste. Now let's add our star ingredient, the beef meat. We'll gently place the chunks of beef into the pot, allowing them to sear and develop a rich caramelized crust. Ah, can you smell that? Our kitchen is already filled with the enticing aroma of spices. To ensure our beef is tender and juicy, we'll add some water to the pot, enough to cover the meat completely. Then, we'll season generously with salt to taste. Remember, seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors in our curry. Now we'll cover the pot with a lid and let our curry simmer gently over low heat for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the beef is fork tender and the sauce has thickened to perfection. And there you have it, folks. Our beef curry is ready to be served. The meat is melt-in-your-mouth tender, infused with the warmth of spices and the richness of the sauce. Whether you serve it with steamed rice, fluffy naan bread, or even over a bed of fragrant basmati rice, this beef curry is sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey here at Cab's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious creations on Cab's Kitchen channel. Until next time, happy cooking!